Keywords Research. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to tell you on keyword research that will help in your affiliate program. Strategic keyword research is not about finding words that people type in. It is really knowing about your target market. The ultimate aim of keyword research is to connect your customer to your product or service. Keyword research is one of the most crucial aspects of a successful search engine optimization and marketing campaign. Proper keyword research and selection helps establish an effective foundation for most of your online marketing efforts. The keywords you choose will power your search engine optimization, sponsored ad campaigns, link building campaigns, press releases, and more. Before you begin any of these marketing efforts, you must have already determined what core terms your site will be built upon and what keywords will fuel your online marketing efforts. Keyword research should be the first step in any process that involves optimizing and marketing your website through the search engines. I would say keyword research is the most important part of the process, yet often one that is glossed over as either largely unimportant or not important enough to spend enough time doing effectively. Many site owners get caught up in the belief that if they just achieve any #1 ranking, then visitors will be flocking to their site. This may be true if your #1 ranked search term is actively searched and is relevant to your site or page, which it leads to. If not, if you don't research your keywords properly, all the top rankings in the world won't drive or keep the best visitors to your site. In regards to getting and maintaining top listings, keep this in mind: all search terms are not created equal. You want to note that there is a big difference between a marketing campaign that delivers a lot of traffic to your site and one that delivers relevant traffic to your site. More often than not, sites that generate smaller amounts of targeted traffic see a better return on investment than sites that generate larger amounts of untargeted traffic. Identifying and selecting the correct keyword phrases to optimize and promote your site, which is important, time-consuming, and sometimes it's even difficult. Many people often get hung up on the wrong keywords based on incomplete data or not thinking through each keyword carefully. If keyword research is not performed with the correct focus in the correct areas, you may find you have a whole mess of phrases to target but no clear picture on the value of those phrases or their ability to drive targeted traffic. How much is a keyword worth to your website? If you own an online shoe store, do you make more sales from visitors searching for brown shoes or black boots? The keywords visitors type into search engines are often available to webmasters, and keyword research tools allow us to find this information. However, those tools cannot show us directly how valuable it is to receive traffic from those searches. To understand the value of a keyword, we need to understand our own websites, make some hypotheses, test and repeat, the classic web marketing formula. Is the keyword relevant to your website content? Will searchers find what they are looking for on your site when they search using these keywords? Will they be happy with what they find? Will this traffic result in financial rewards or other organizational goals? If the answers to all of these questions is a clear yes, then proceed. Understanding which websites already rank for your keyword gives you valuable insight into the competition and also how hard it will be to rank for the given term. Are there search advertisements running along the top and right-hand side of the organic results? Typically, many search ads means a high-value keyword, and multiple search ads above the organic results often means a highly lucrative and directly conversion-prone keyword. If your website doesn't rank for the keyword, you can nonetheless buy test traffic to see how well it converts. In Google AdWords, choose Exact Match and point the traffic to the relevant page on your website. Track impressions and conversion rate over the course of at least 200 to 300 clicks. For example, assume your search ad generated 5,000 impressions in one day, of which 100 visitors have come to your site and 3 have converted for a total profit, not revenue, of $300. In this case, a single visitor for that keyword is worth $3 to your business. Those 5,000 impressions in 24 hours could generate a click-through rate of between 18 and 36% with a #1 ranking. See the Slingshot SEO study for more on potential click-through rates, which would mean 900 to 1,800 visitors per day at $3 each, or between $1 and $2 million per year. No wonder businesses love search marketing. People are asking, which tool should I use? Fortunately for us, we have plenty of compasses to choose from. Many software developers understand the importance of keyword research and are producing tools to make this process faster and more effective. Google Trends. This Google tool will show you the hottest trending searches and topics on the Google search engine. Bear in mind that most of these searches will be along the lines of Kim Kardashian bikini pictures instead of actual physical products that people are looking to purchase online. But occasionally you will find a smoking hot product release that people are shopping around for and trying to locate. Be careful not to use copyrighted terms or the name of a manufacturer in your keyword phrase. For example, Apple iPad is not a good choice of a keyword that you would want to target. However, you may find some decent searches for a generic phrase like ebook reader that you can use instead to cash in on these hot name brand products. Google AdWords. This tool will allow you to determine if there are enough monthly searches for this product online to justify spending the time to create an affiliate site in order to promote it. As a rule of thumb, you want to have at least 300 exact searches per month for a specific keyword for a mini site, and preferably much more than that. If you're looking to create a larger authority site, you should choose a long-tail keyword with at least 5,000 exact searches per month. Make sure that this is a product or subject that you are genuinely interested in because it will require a lot of TLC to make it an authority site. Of course, this represents a lot of work and therefore it requires a keyword with a lot of monthly searches in order to make it worth its while to create a website of this size. In this case, the Google AdWord tool tells us that there are plenty of searches for the exact keyword phrase, photography tips, over 22,000 in fact. So it is well worth the time and energy it will take in order to maintain this site and push it to the top of the search engines.